Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am so excited to share with you this ever-loving and evergreen instant mango pickle recipe. Before we get started, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe to Hans Lab. And here are the ingredients for your quick view. I've taken 5 small mangoes, washed them well, removing its stalk, and now I'm going to make them into small pieces. Transfer them to a bowl. Take 2 green chillies, cut them small and add them to the mango pieces. To this, I am adding 3 teaspoons of salt and mixing them well. Now close it with a lid and allow it to sit for at least 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, we will start tempering them. To a pan, I am adding 2 spoons of sesame oil. When the oil becomes hot, add half teaspoon of mustard seeds. Once the mustard seeds pops open, add the chopped mango pieces, leaving behind the water that was drained out from the mango and the salt. To this, add 3 teaspoons of chili powder, quarter teaspoon of fenugreek powder, that is, fenugreek seeds were dry roasted and made into powder. And finally, a pinch of turmeric powder. Mix them well. The entire process is made when the stove is in low flame. After mixing them well, turn off the stove and allow it to cool. If you want to preserve it, transfer it to an airtight container and refrigerate it. Hope you all like this video. Try this at home and don't forget to leave a comment in the comment box. And also like, share and subscribe to Hans Lab. Until we meet in the next video, signing off from you and ta-ta, bye-bye.